welcome back to my channel. So I have a special request from Alton over at the Dogfather's Barbecue. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and do so. I'm going to leave his link in my description box. He's got an amazing channel. He kind of does it all. You guys are going to really like him. So he requested me to do my Caprese salad. So of course I'm going to go ahead and do that for him today. Now I know that this is normally a spring-summer dish, but I figured seeing as Mother Nature is all out of whack, why not, right? I'm also going to be doing a balsamic glaze reduction with this. So here's a list of ingredients you guys are going to need. You guys are going to need, of course, some good fresh mozzarella cheese. You're going to need some nice vine-ripe tomatoes. You're going to need some fresh basil, some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and then for the balsamic glaze reduction, you're going to need some balsamic vinegar, as well as some honey. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make this delicious Caprese salad. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work on our balsamic glaze reduction, because it does take a little bit of time to cool off before we go ahead and drizzle it on the Caprese salad. So I have my balsamic vinegar here, some honey, and then I just have a little mason jar to pour the vinegar in when we're done, so it can cool off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in between medium and high, and I am going to use 1 cup of the balsamic vinegar. Sorry about that. I know I just hit you guys. Alright, so 1 cup of that. And we're going to do 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is so good on anything, guys. You could put this on your chicken, your fish, salad. You can use it as a dip for some veggies. Alright. This is going to probably take about 20-25 minutes. We want to reduce this by at least half. So I'm going to get this to a boil. Once we see that it's at a boil, I'm going to lower the temperature, and we're going to cook it on medium-low. And I will show you guys what it looks like when we get there. So we'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it has just come up to a boil. That's exactly what we want. So at this point, go ahead and lower it. I'm going to lower mine in between medium and low. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and continue to cook this while it's reducing, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when we get there. So it's been about 25 minutes, and this is exactly where I want it. Okay, so number 1, it is reduced by more than half, as you guys can see. And then what you do is you just take a spoon, and if it coats the back of the spoon, you know you're good, okay? Perfect. Tastes delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my mason jar. And now as it sits and cools, it will get thicker. Perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and just set this aside while it cools and meet you guys over there so we can put our Caprese salad together. Okay guys, so I have everything set out. I have a plate over here that we're going to be putting it on. I have my salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil. I have some really nice vine-ripe tomatoes and my fresh basil, and then some good fresh mozzarella cheese, okay? Now this is pre-sliced. I love it, which is perfect size, so I don't even need to do anything with that. So this is how easy the salad is, okay? We're gonna slice our tomatoes. And you don't want them too thick and you don't want them too thin. So, about like that. Perfect size. So I'm going to go ahead and slice my tomatoes. I'm not going to use the ends. I'm actually going to give that to my Jazzy, because she loves tomatoes, as you guys know. Alright, and then all you're going to do is you're going to take your tomatoes. We're going to line them up. And fun fact, a Caprese salad is supposed to look like the Italian flag. hence the red, green, and white. So, now we'll put this guy up here. And alright, that looks perfect. I'm going to clean this up, and I'll meet you back over here in a second, and we'll work on the next step. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and work on our cheese. Like I said, it's already sliced, so that's perfect for me. And guys, this is the best wet mozzarella cheese. You gotta try it. It's fresh, it's milky, it's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna try to slice them where they're sliced already. Just kind of help it out. The balsamic glaze reduction is pretty much cooled by now. My mouth is salivating if you guys can't hear. And we don't need this little piece. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Don't tell anybody. Perfect. Then we're gonna take our plate, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cheese pieces, and you're gonna put it in between each piece of tomato. Now, if you don't want to do the balsamic glaze reduction, traditionally, you would just, which we're going to do anyways, but traditionally you would just do the extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and then you're good to go. But this definitely takes it up a notch, for sure. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, look how pretty. I'm not going to waste this cheese, no worries about that. Alright. I'm going to move this real quick so we can work on our last couple of steps. I love the smell of basil. You take your fresh basil and you're going to stick it just like that. All pretty and fancy. That. Just gonna put them in between, so it's tomato, cheese, basil, and so forth. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Okay, guys, just like that. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so now at this point, you take a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little, not too much. The salt's gonna be nice, it's gonna bring out the tomatoes. A little bit of pepper. Just like that. You're gonna take a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. And then you're going to take your balsamic glaze reduction, which is going to really pull it all together, and you're going to pour it just like that. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and taste it. So I want a little bit of everything. Tomato, basil, and mozzarella cheese. Look at that, guys. Dip it in some more balsamic. Alright, this one's for you, Alton. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. That's it. It's absolutely delicious. There's nothing else that I could say about this. The balsamic glaze reduction really sets this over the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys, especially for you, Alton. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I always appreciate the love and support you guys give me. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.